Yep, totally get it. Understandable. I know that this is not everybody's cup of tea because I've seen it with my own eyes and everybody was vocal about it. But honestly, this is so much better than the OEM head unit, you know, in terms of functionality and scalability. And you're just wondering, is it even worth it? Well, you're here because you want to get an AuCar Tesla-Style Screen 370Z. Well, you're in luck because I have one. I'm here to help you answer a few questions and whatnot. Well, if this is your first time viewing one of my videos, welcome. My name is Eric and I do 370Z content. And if I'm bored, the vehicle's on my driveway. And by the way, can I just do a shout out? Thank you so much for helping me reach a milestone in my channel, 1,000 subscribers. And it's because of you, you know. Thank you so much. I appreciate you wholeheartedly. Thank you. Anyways, let's go back to it. Why would you get this? Why do you even consider getting this humongous tablet? Well, you were thinking about updating your OEM head unit and you don't find any use to that small cubby, especially if you're a base owner. You were considering getting the Brainiac tablet, which is another tablet, but this one has a better climate control, I think. Well, it's just different than the OEM. And lastly, I think you have Bluetooth controlled apps that you'll want to use. For example, you know, your data logging, on the fly, tune swap, air suspension management, and, you know, lights, Bluetooth lights. Okay, what vehicles are compatible with this? Basically everything, 2009 to 2022, 370Z, Bass, Sport, Nismo, the one with the Bass audio or Bose audio system, but this one requires an additional audio box. If you have a 370Z, you can get this. You can install it. No problem. So functionality right off the box. Let's do a rundown. Wireless or wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Got reverse camera compatibility with OEM camera or aftermarket. It actually has 360 camera compatibility. You can add 4G SIM card, you got GPS, climate control, digital equalizer, Wi-Fi hotspot, radio and FM, ambient color, and basically everything an Android tablet can do. So despite it being the 13.6 inches tablet, you still need to at least understand what is going on in that area that is not the tablet. Okay, so let's go with the left button. You know, if you click it, it does the mute. You can do the volume, and on the right button, fan off and on, you can do the volume as well. This one's auto temperature, climate control, front and rear windshield defroster, recirculation, middle dial temperature, the middle button toggle through the airflow mode. So how does it sound audio wise? Well, this one is subjective. To be fair, 370Z does not have the best acoustic. It sucks ass. But compared to my previous head unit, which was the XAVAX 3000 by Sony, this is lacking a little bit of the bass right off the factory. But if you have the time to tinker the digital equalizer, you can probably squeeze in a little bit of bass right there. All right, so let me just read the questions in my previous video. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen that video where I did the unboxing, the installation, and a little bit of review, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can watch it later. But can you stay and finish this video, please? That would be great, please and thank you. Yeah, I actually personally answer your questions in the comment section. Okay, first question. Is there any sort of integrated mic for this? Yes, it has a built-in microphone, and it also came with an external microphone. Is it compatible with 370Z with genuine navigation? Well, no, because this is not the proprietary Nissan navigation system. It uses, you know, GPS through the tablet, and it uses apps like Google Maps and Waze. Do you know if there is a difference between AuCar Tesla Screen and the Nifty City one? Yes, there's actually two versions of these. It's basically the same unit but packaged differently and priced differently. And guess what? Which one's the pricier one? Nifty City. Do you use your hotspot to give it service? Yes, I use my phone to a hotspot. But if you don't prefer that, there's a 4G SIM card you can use for this to be more accessible instead of doing a hotspot every now and then. Does this connect to Android or good for iPhones also? It's good on both, buddy. Has anyone installed this radio with multiple amps set up in their 370Z? Honestly, I'm not too sure about that because it only has one RCA sub and then one for rear right, rear left, front right, front left. So I'm not too sure about multiple amp setup. When in reverse and you hit your brakes, does your reverse cam turn off? No, it shouldn't. I don't know why it would. Does it have CarPlay? Yes, it does. Any idea if they make an Apple version? I doubt it. Since Android OS is more accessible and open source, it's easier for other manufacturers to make these type of tablets. Apple has their own very secure OS. So okay, so how much is the damage? What's the punchline? How much does it cost? Well, as of January 2023, it's 1,197 USD. But with EV370Z, my discount code, save $50 on your checkout. It's not much, but hey, $50 is $50. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, which, it's an affiliate link. It helps me, it helps the channel to grow. So please follow that link and use my discount code. And that is it for me. I hope I actually answered most of your questions, guys. But then again, feel free to comment your questions down below. And if you like this video, leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you get notified when I'm going to be releasing new videos. You can follow me at its.ericvenzon, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.